Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Now, if I do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about 2u du. First derivative of number 1, you got about 0. First derivative of negative cotangent x, you got about dx over sine x squared. So, this one we change by u. dx over sine x squared we change by 2u du. And now, the integration of u squared, you got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And you got about 3 secant of s squared dx. Because this one is not about number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. Secant of s squared dx we change by du over number 3. The integration of u, you got about u squared over 2, and we put about c. So number 4 divided by 2, and you got 2 over 3. So about u, that is about this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.